2018 BMW i8. The world first got a glimpse of the BMW i8 at the 2013 Frankfurt Motor Show, when the plug-in hybrid performance car hasn't changed much since then. The i8 was never meant to be a high-volume car, but demand was so high that in 2015 the company doubled their daily production numbers to 20 units to meet demand. Today there are fewer than 5,000 of them on the road, so consider yourself lucky if you see one. Consider yourself even luckier if you get to drive one. BMW's first foray into a performance hybrid sports car has all the trappings of a brutally fun ride: gorgeous exterior, 3 power sources and a chassis willing to dive into turns. However, it also comes with an exorbitant price tag and a power plant that only kicks into fun long after the driver requests it. A mid-mounted 1.5-liter 3-cylinder turbocharged engine puts 228 horsepower to the rear wheels, while 2 electric motors, one mounted near the engine, one living up front, throws power to the front. Combined, the powertrain kicks out 357 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque to all 4 wheels. Extra go-go juice is stored in a 7.1 kilowatt-hour battery, good for 15 miles of all-electric range. Total driving range is 330 miles and the EPA gives the i8's rating of 76 in hybrid mode, or 28 miles per gallon combined using just the gasoline engine. The good news here is that you never have to plug in the i8 or visit a public charging station if you don't want to. The gas engine can function as an onboard generator, while regenerative braking captures energy as well. However, you can recharge in 2.5 hours from a level 2 charging station or 4.5 hours from a standard 110-volt outlet. Behind the wheel, the i8 is both ridiculously fun and a tad bit frustrating, all at the same time. As with many performance cars these days, there are multiple driving modes. Comfort is great for toddling around town, or you can go all-electric in eDrive. EcoPro allows for the gas engine to kick in, but limits electrical features like back output to save as much juice as possible. The frustration lies in the i8's lack of off-the-line thrills. Sure, Sport mode tightens up the throttle response and operates the electric motors at maximum boost, but the i8 has a relatively slow 0-60 miles per hour time of 4.2 seconds, especially when compared to the Acura NSX, which can do it in 3 seconds. However, once you get the thing going, it's a blast. The electric motors offer all the mid-range torque I could possibly want, and the 50-50 weight distribution makes short work of twisty roads. Sport mode allows for manual operation of the 6-speed automatic transmission from the paddle shifters, but the car does a good job of shifting on its own. When prompted by a heavy right foot, the gas engine engages quickly with a great-sounding exhaust note getting pumped into the cabin through the audio system.